Who says camping food has to taste like sadness and burnt noodles? Outdoor cooking doesn't need to be a survival game. It can be a flavor-packed adventure if you bring the right gear and a tiny sprinkle of common sense. Trust me, I used to think camp cuisine was just charred hot dogs and questionable soup water. Then I discovered the magic of a portable camp kitchen and everything changed. The secret? Gear up like a genius. A portable camp stove is your best friend in the wilderness. Sure, cooking over a smoky campfire sounds cool until your dinner falls into the flames and becomes a sacrifice to the forest spirits. A stove gives you control, perfect heat, less drama, fewer tears. Add lightweight cookware that nests together to save space in your pack, and you've officially leveled up. Bonus points for non-stick pans, because no one wants to fight spaghetti welded to metal while raccoons judge them. Next, unleash the power of utensils. One good multi-tool can save your meal and your sanity. Need to flip, slice, grip, pry, or open a celebratory soda? Boom, a Leti tool. But don't forget a real knife and a cutting board. Trying to chop onions on your knee with a dull blade is a fast track to the emergency room. Sharp knives save lives, or at least dinner. Food storage is your next battle. Wildlife loves free food, especially the sneaky midnight ninjas known as raccoons. Use airtight, waterproof food bags or a sealed cooler unless you want raccoons hosting a Taco Tuesday party at your campsite. Meal prep at home helps too. Pre-chop veggies and marinate meat so you're not stuck playing camp chef while everyone else enjoys the sunset. Now let's talk dining style. Nobody wants to eat chili off a stick. Pack reusable plates, bowls, and utensils that are lightweight and easy to clean. Add a foldable camp table and chairs, and boom, you've got a 5-star dining experience with mountain views and zero dress code. Cleaning up doesn't have to be a tragic chore. Bring biodegradable soap so nature doesn't hate you, a scrub sponge, and trash bags to pack out the mess. Pro tip: clean pans right after cooking so you're not chiseling off cold oatmeal cement later. With the right camp kitchen setup, you're not just surviving, you're crushing it. So fire up that stove, season like a champion, and get cooking under the stars. Adventure tastes better when you make it hot.